June is a special day at Nagarjuna Degree College. We are celebrating World Environment Day. As all of you know that protecting and preserving Mother Earth is everybody's responsibility. So this celebration we are associating with ICAR, Indian Council for Agricultural Research, a prestigious institution under Government of India. And also we are very happy that Karnataka's renowned film industry actor, Mr.suresh Heblikar, who is also an environmentalist, is also joining us as a chief guest. And our cultural committee, in association with Fine Arts Committee, they have arranged so many events for our students. It is going to be a wonderful celebration. Please join and enjoy.